Alright, we got a quick project to do. It's a new exhaust day. Here we are. I got me a GSE Performance Trail Tamer exhaust, and I also got the air filter along with it. So I'm going to throw these on the Sportsman real quick. And I'm not going to show y'all the install. Y'all can figure that out. It's not hard at all. So it'll only take me a few minutes to do it. And then I'll do a whole bunch of riding clips, revving this, that, and another. So y'all can get a good idea of what it sounds like. See y'all then. Alright, here we are. Got it all put on. It is looking very nice. I love the dual outlet here. Just something about it gives it a mean look. Step back a little bit. Looks good. So here in a second, I'll fire it up for you. We'll let you hear what it sounds like. So it's a very unique sound. It's not exactly what I was expecting, but it sounds very nice, especially once you really get into it. And when you pump the throttle a little bit, it sounds mean. So I'll definitely recommend the GSE Trail Tamer Performance exhaust on the Sportsman 570. You definitely won't regret it, especially not for the fairly cheap price it comes at. It comes at about $314, $350 at the end of the day. So hope y'all enjoyed the short video. See y'all on the next one.